If your inventory accuracy isn't above 98%, everything downstream breaks. Inventory accuracy is the heartbeat of your supply chain. If it's wrong, everything becomes reactive. Planners release emergency work orders, buyers expedite, warehouses chase shortages, production loses hours hunting for parts, and customer delivery slips. And the truth is, none of that is a capacity issue. It's an inventory control issue. Your goal? 98% plus inventory accuracy at all times, not annually, not quarterly, every single day. And the only way to get there is through a disciplined warehouse strategy. Your warehouse layout should mirror your inventory segmentation, and if it doesn't, you're already losing hours every week. Here's the rule I teach teams. High runners should be closest to the production floor, short walking distance, easy to pick, easy to replenish. Medium runners go in the second tier, still accessible but not prime real estate. Slow movers belong in the back of the warehouse on higher shelves or in less frequently accessed zones. Why? Because travel time equals waste. And the fastest way to improve material flow is to eliminate unnecessary motion. A well-structured warehouse is free labor. It saves you time without hiring a single person. Even if you have the right layout, nothing works without location discipline. Every part needs a fixed location, a standard for replenishment, a visual cue for low stock, and a defined path to the line. If a picker can't walk straight to a location and find the correct part without digging, your system is broken. Labeling, signage, location validation, barcode scanning, they aren't nice-to-haves. They're your safeguards against production downtime. Annual physical inventories are not a control method. They're the result of poor control methods. Real operations teams rely on cycle counting, and they make it part of their daily rhythm. Here's the standard that actually works. Count A-class/high runners weekly. Count B-class items monthly. Count C-class items quarterly. Investigate variances the same day. Fix the root cause, not just the number. The target is always the same. 98% plus accuracy. Not close enough, not will catch up next month. 98%, because your entire supply chain depends on it. Inventory control isn't one big initiative. It's the combination of a warehouse organized by segmentation, accurate, clear, disciplined locations, and a cycle counting rhythm your team actually follows. When you do these three things well, everything else improves. MRP becomes reliable, schedules stabilize, production flow becomes predictable, customer delivery improves, and stress disappears. This is the foundation of operational excellence, and it starts in the warehouse. I'm Michelle, your SIOP and supply chain strategist with Streamline Consulting Group. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for weekly insights that fix the flow and grow your business. See you in the next video.